Hello everyone. Now we are solving the questions which are related to tangents. Basically, when you talk about tangents, there are two theorems which are very important. First is that from a point we can at the most draw two tangents and the length of both the tangents is equal. The second is when we draw a tangent and if we talk about a line which is passing through the center of the circle to the tangent, it is always 90 degrees. So here if we talk about different questions, we are having a circle where from the center of the circle there is a point P which is 13 centimeters, and from point P I am drawing a tangent, and the radius of the circle is already known as 5. So what is the length of the tangent? Can be one question. We have to find out the value of PA. Here we already know that it must be 90 degree because line from the center, or radius from the center to the tangent is always 90 degree to it. That means we can apply a Pythagoras in the triangle APO, where the length of OP square is equals to AP square plus OA square. We already know the length of OP is 13, so the 13 square is equals to AO square, that is 5 square plus AP square. If we solve the value of AP, it comes out to be under root of 144, and that is 12, the value of AP. So this length of tangent is 12 centimeter. If we draw another tangent from point P, the length of that tangent is also the same, that is 12 centimeter. Here we have two circles, and this is known as common tangent to both the circles. So this is a tangent which is passing through the point A and B on the circles, and from any point B on this line I am drawing a line which is 4 centimeter. So the value of DC is equals to 4 centimeter. Here one thing is very important, that from this point if we draw two tangents on this circle, one tangent is DC, another is DA, so the length of DA and DC must be equal, so the length of AD becomes 4 centimeter. Same way if we talk about this circle, the length from the outer point D to the tangents of two circles must be equal. So if the length of DC is 4, the length of DB is also 4 centimeter. That means the total length of AB becomes 8 centimeter. This is basically on the fundamental that from any point if we draw two tangents on a circle, the length of both the tangents are equal. There is yet another question. There is a circle with center O. From a point A, I am drawing two tangents, that is AB and AC on the circle. There is another, if we draw a line EF which is passing through a point D, which is again a tangent on the circle. So we have to find out the perimeter of triangle AEF, the value of AE, EF and FA. Here we know that the length of AB and the length of AC must be both equal, as this is basically two tangents from an external point. Plus, if we look at the point E, from E if I am drawing two tangents on this circle, then the length of EB and the length of ED both are equal. Same way, if from a point F I am drawing two tangents, then the length of CF and the length of DF both are equal. That means CF plus B is equals to EF. And when I talk about the perimeters of AEF, that is AE plus DE. This is AE plus DE plus DF plus FA. This is actually the perimeter of a triangle AEF. And we already know that DE is equals to BE. So this can be replaced by BE, and DF is equal to CF, so this can be replaced by CF. This will actually give us AB plus AC, and we know that the tangent length from the outer point are both equal, so the value of AB is 8 centimeter and the value of AC will also be 8 centimeter, so the perimeter comes out to be 16 centimeters. There is yet another question where there is a circle with center O, and there is a quadrilateral which is circumscribing the circle. and we have to prove that the length of opposite sides, the sum of the length of opposite sides, that is AB and CD, is equals to the length of these two sides, that is AD plus BC. If we talk about these points which are making the tangents, suppose these points are E, F, G and H. Definitely from a point A, which is external to the circle, if we draw the two tangents, the length of AF and length of AE are both equal. Same way, the length of DF and DG are all both equal. DF must be equal to the length of DG. Same way from the point C, if there are two tangents, this tangent length and this tangent length must be equal. So GC is equals to HC, and this is true for this as well, where BH is equals to EB. If we look at this plus this, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is again equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So the length of the sum of the sides, opposite sides, the sum of the length of opposite sides in both the cases are equal to one another. So we have proved that AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. So these are the questions which are related to tangents. Thank you.